Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. But before we get into Dogelon Mars, we're going to go over the overall market. And before we go over the overall market, hit that subscribe button for daily technical analysis videos on Dogelon Mars and potential 100x altcoins. Alright, ladies and gentle peeps, overall market is in a bit dip right now, which is completely fine. If we pull out this fib level from the previous low of this swing, we broke through the 618, kind of touched the 786. So what we want to see here is this daily candle closing above this 0.618 level. And to make it real simple, on Bitcoin, the overall market, we want to see today close above 55,469. All right, mark your calendars. That's what we want to see it close above. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. And if it doesn't close above that, then it's an even better buying opportunity. Right now, I have just issued a confirmation in the Patreon. So you guys have gotten first dibs, best price, because right now is a little dip, and we're still making higher lows. This is a perfect buying opportunity, in my opinion. And let me explain exactly why, my friends. Boom. Look at this trend line we're following, all right? It's beautiful, first of all. And second of all, let's draw this to the downside. We are still above the bullish flag. All right, ladies and gentle peeps, bullish flags change. These are not really that, they are not that accurate every 100% of the time. However, if we do follow this trend line and don't break through the bottom, which I believe we will be doing, volume tapering down, we will start to see some big whales movement pushing in here soon, because all the retail traders have either got in or they are done with this coin right now. So the whales are going to step back in, push it higher than this 18 level, allowing the retail traders to be like, oh, this is just a little spike, right? They won't get in. So it'll push even higher, and the retail traders will think, oh, it's going to it's going to make a double top and then go back down. It's going to break it. And then the retail traders are going to FOMO in, pushing it higher. And then big money and us, billionaires, are going to sell before the big money sells. Get that hefty, nice gain. But for all of you guys, ladies and gentlemen, that have not averaged in yet, these are the prices you need to watch. Let's get straight into it. All right. Like I said, I just issued a confirmation in the Patreon. If you want to join the Patreon, we have a few spots left. Just open some new ones for this month, so go ahead and hop on that. I'll leave the link in the description for my buy and sell alerts. All right, enough of that. Last video, we drew this beautiful rectangle, and that is exactly what we are hitting the top of right now. Now, what we want to see here is buying pressure. We want to see buying pressure on the top of this, around these 1450 levels, all right? That's where we want to see buying pressure. Now, if we can get even more in-depth, but I'm just going to give you the 4-hourly rundown, because this is not for day trading. We are holding this thing for long term. I'm holding this until a 10x, all right? Now, I will be averaging out as it pumps to make that 10x a 20x, but I will be trading this coin until a 10x. All right, my beautiful friends, this is what we are looking for. This is what we are looking into. Let's get it. All right, we want to see strong buying pressure in the 4-hourly candles. If this closes below this 1450 level, that means we should be heading down to this top support line here, all right? If we don't see strong buying pressure, which we very well should, around these 14s, all right? Or 1380s even. It could dip down below to fake out the bullish flag traders, all right? These big money makers, they are not dumb. They see exactly the same patterns we do. We just have to assume that they are trying to manipulate the markets to get the best price, get the best bang for their buck. We would do the same thing. We are doing the same thing, and we are following them. So, to make it real simple, we want to see, these are the three options we have. We have three options, all right? Tier 1. Extreme higher lows, extreme continuation pattern to the upside. Tier 2, we have the bullish, not bullish. We are still in a bullish pattern, following this bullish flag support line. However, we have a higher potential of breaking to the downside if we come down to this level. Now, tier 3, we need to see strong buying pressure in these 1358 levels, or we will be heading down to these 1280s. All right, my beautiful friends. Now, I don't think this will happen, but it very well could, but I really don't think it will. All right, this is what we're seeing, strong buying pressure here, but okay, let me make it super simple. I feel like I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. All right, we want to see green candle coming up, overbearing this, bada bing, bada boom. That's what we want to see in the next 4 hours. If that doesn't happen, this is what we'll see. See another candle coming down to here, creating a wick, and then closing around these 1422 levels. That's exactly what we want to see for... I've never done this before, so hit that freaking like button. Okay, that's a trend line. Alright, bear with me, guys. I'm trying to make this super, super easy for you guys. That is a vertical line. Alright, let's do a ray. We want to see a wick coming down to this. Alright, let's just... You guys have imaginations. God gave you imaginations. Let's use them. So, boom. See a red candle coming down to here. It pushes back up, closes around the 422. Above the 422, that means we have confirmed... started to confirm, not completely, that this is going to follow this bullish flag support line. Alright, now third option is we break this and we head down to these 1360 levels. Now what we want to see down here is, again, strong buying pressure, preferably, not even preferably, we need to see volume, or it will be heading down to those 1280s. Volume is key in everything. That's really where you tell the support lines, where you see volume. All right, my beautiful friends. So if it comes down to here and we see volume, this means the potential of this being a new floor, new support level, strong support level, is very high. All right. Now, same thing here. Same thing here. We just went through the 3 scenarios. That's what we need to look for to the upside. All right. Yeah, my friends. Right now is not a bad time to be averaging in. It's not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. We've broken out of the bull flag. Everything's looking beautiful. And the overall markets have just been very much retracing and consolidating this week. We did see one big day. This is the thing, guys. In one day, 2 days, sorry, we spiked 40 to 50% on this coin. In the market, it spiked around 10 to 15%, I believe. And then over multiple days, it's just multiple little red days just like this. And that's how you freaking know. That is how you know when you see multiple red days that this is normal, all right? Because this is what, it's just quite the opposite once it spikes. We are going to see in 1 or 2 days an absolutely giant, monstrous spike. This is when we are going to start scaling out, and you need to be in the Patreon to get those alerts. Because if you're at work, lollygagging around, and you're not checking these charts, you're going to miss out on some hefty, hefty gains. But then, what happens the next few days is it absolutely tanks. All right? And we are going to be out as it absolutely tanks. We are going to sell at the top. And then, when it tanks, buy more once it confirms this support level. Once it confirms here, that's when we start averaging it, my beautiful friends. My beautiful friends. That's what we are going to do. So, Crypto Billionaire 69 daily in-depth technical analysis videos on Dogelon Mars. All of you that have joined the pre-sale, congratulations. You got it for 75% off. Now, I have been working on the course on a different platform called Podia. I am super, super excited about this too. Billionaire's technical analysis for cryptocurrency. I currently have 4 videos right now, but there will be many, 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 many more teaching you everything you need to know, everything that I know about trading in the crypto markets or any stock markets, anything with candles you can make money on if you have this knowledge. So, it is not 75% off anymore. You have missed the boat on that, but it is 50% off, and I will be working on this course, and it will drop down to 25% off once I reach around 10 videos. And then once I reach the full 10 to 15, it's going to be full price at $2,000. So, my friends, hop on. If you have been on the ropes about learning this stuff, now's the time to do it. Now, I know the holidays are coming, and a lot of you guys can't really afford things because you have families to feed and whatnot. Okay, I understand that. I understand that 100%. Go ahead and email me, because I would be willing to cut you guys a discount, because I really, really, really want you guys to take advantage of this. Because what you're struggling with this Christmas, you won't have to be struggling with next Christmas, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69, I love you guys. I will catch you guys in the next daily technical analysis video. Peace.